Hi friends, in this tutorial we will see about employee management tab in WMS. So clicking this employee management tab we will get three detail and we will click on employee detail. So all the details of the employees who are working in the warehouse appears. In case a new employee is joined in this warehouse, then under add new employee the same can be added. And for updating the existing data we click update. So name of the employee, employee code, address, contact number, everything is assigned here, and the role played by the employee in the warehouse is seen here. So this employee has his own username and the roles are dead stock in charge, PCS cell, quality inspector and technical. So multiple roles can be also added to a same employee. So after adding the roles or editing, we click save. So it is updated in the role of the employee. So now we will see a demo of this username AK Sahu. We will log out. We will log in as AK Sahu. So in that username, only those tab which is corresponding to their role only will be displayed. So only technical related data is displayed in this login. So we'll log out again. So this is the window of warehouse manager. So many tabs are available because warehouse manager is the overall in charge of the warehouse. So under employee management, next we go to employee transfer. Even though the tab is employee transfer, but it speaks only about warehouse manager. Maybe it will be revised in future also. So whenever a warehouse manager is relieved and a new person is taking over the charge, then that can be done here. So charge given to, let's say we will select a cadre. So we select junior superintendent. The employee who is junior superintendent in that particular warehouse appears automatically. In case we select other designation which is not in warehouse, for example SIO, employee name is not there. So when a new employee is joining, first his data has to be added under employee detail. Then for transferring the existing employee, existing manager, this tab can be used. Transfer location, relieving letter number and the relieving order photocopy is attested here, and then click save. So this is the transferred list. As of now there is no transfer, so this tab is empty, and this is what employee management is all about. So this basically deals with assigning the roles to the employee, and by that they can log in their own ID, and only that particular roles which are assigned to them will be displayed in that ID. Thank you friends.